The 4 things that will make Kennedy Agyapong win and all of that. You remember? 4. The 4 things. And all of it's a chapter. Number 1, what did I say?
The young men effect.
The young men effect. I said the young men effect. And not young men. Young men from everywhere. It's a young man effect. Number 2, what did I tell you?
The business effect.
The business effect. Because in a vision, as I was talking with the angel showed me some things. Are you with me or you're angry? Like what God will make in the Agyapong become, it's already completed. Now it is, as I'm saying, true, but that's a vision. I don't know why I entered it, but we are done with the exams. You are now doing revision. I'm telling you, I said there are conclusions of deals. What others are now negotiating for them. There are positions that has already been negotiated for, signed, sealed, and released, and others are campaigning for. It's like the leadership of NPP. The thing is campaign in the spirit. See, delivered to Kennedy Agyapong. Many will come and it will happen. The truth of the matter is, I don't do what I do because of money. If you have the number of Laurent Gbagbo or his family members, you can tell them when I prophesied that the mother will release, what did they do for me? When I prophesied that Gbagbo himself will come back, what did they do? It's not from money. It is what I see. And I can't keep quiet about it. If you know the Gamanche, go and ask the Gamanche any day that when I prophesy he will become, and he came to visit me and he has become Ghana. Even if I've given you 1 Ghana cedis, it's not about money. I hear what I'm saying. If you like, ask the NDC people when I say they will win, and they have invited me, but I've not attended because I don't prophesy because of that. Me, what I see, I prophesy, and I'll be prophesying about what I see. When next week I'm even releasing. I'm releasing maybe another chapter. Where is Prophet Prince? Come. I was telling you the 4 things that will make Kennedy Agyapong win and all of that. You remember? 4. The 4 things. And all of it's a chapter. Number 1, what did I say?
The young men effect.
The young men effect. I said the young men effect. And not young men from everywhere. It's a young man effect. Number 2, what did I tell you?
The business effect.
The business effect. Because in a vision, as I was talking with the angel showed me some things. Are you with me or you're angry? And the Lord showed me, as the angel spoke to me, that people will begin to analyze and they will say, this one became the first president in the 4th Republic. Before he became, what businesses has he built? And how many people did he employ before he became president? And they will go to second one, they will ask, and they will ask every one of them, what have they built? And they will say, this one want to be president, this one want to be president, this one want to be president. What business have they built? How many people have they employed? Well, I will leave it for now. Number 3, what did I tell you?
The compelling campaign effect.
The compelling vision and campaign effect. The manifesto of Kennedy Agyapong is going to be so compelling And we have never seen a compelling manifesto strategy like what I'm seeing. It's in the book. And number 4, what did I say?
The division in the other part.
I said the division effect. There is a division coming. I told some this December, but see, when you talk, they say you insult me. You think I care about your insult? When before I said, hey, what the hell is this? Anything that can want to torment a man of God, live beyond an insect. It becomes an animal. I before I accepted to do this, I knew all the insult that would come again. And I asked myself, are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. So everything negative you hear people say about me, it is true. Don't go and fight again. It is true. I've agreed. It is true. What again? You say you will say, I have said it. What again do you have to say? But the visions we see, we'll share it. So I know you have come because of what I said. It's good you have come. Next time when I say what you don't like to come. Oh, what do you think? Yeah, so next week the book will be out. And I'm not selling it. It's not for sale. Are you with me? So it is like, oh, the guy is looking for money. That no, it's for free. I'll print it for free. Read it and check all that the Lord will say, what will happen to Ghana in the future and all of that, and watch it. I mean, I saw the angel. The angel spoke to me.
Sewu bompaya kai kana sewu nyankopon fakana shenonsa neno na uya omai papa enona uyo do odoma umai enwara na yeshishe odoma umai enwa.
Also for prayer, send him 5,000 for singing the song. Yeah. You see, I pray that as Ghanaians we will come to this level, and this song will reflect in what we. If you sit in where I sit as a prophet, and you have the divine privilege to at times hear and see discussions, you realize that most people, what they want is not because of Ghana. I'm telling you, when I tell you to take it seriously, because I'm not after things. I'm not after fame. Because what I do, fame will come, the things will come. So I'm not after them. But let us come to a point where we will always think about Ghana. God bless you. Yeah. That we'll think about Ghana. There are many things to say, but Ghanaians cannot take it. So I'll keep quiet. But when the Spirit stirs me up, I talk about it. Any day, anytime you get angry is your own problem. Your anger does not reach anywhere. You know, everybody's place can be negotiated though. Everybody's place can be negotiated. Like the place of Kennedy Agyapong, that has been negotiated long ago. You know, I'm writing a book on the 2028 election. Yeah. I'm writing a book. I'm showing you by prophetic sequence everything to it. Things that have been concluded already, you are fighting over it now. Some people are late. That's what some people don't know. Some people, the journey you think you are about to start has already ended. The door you are about to enter has been already closed. So, because people are not that spiritual. When they consult, we consult. And the spirit we consult is of higher authority. His name is the Holy Spirit. I'm just telling you, you need to be very serious. People are offering sacrifices, so people are offering sacrifices. People are offering sacrifice, but by certain negotiation, there are things that have already been concluded. Like what God will make in the Agyapong is already concluded. Now it is, as I'm saying, but that's a revision. I don't know why I entered it, but we are done with the exams. You are now doing revision. You are now doing revision. Hey. Before Elisha came into the life of Elijah, there was somebody. There was someone already. I'm telling you, I said, there are conclusions of deals. What others are now negotiating for them. There are positions that has already been negotiated for, signed, sealed, and released, and others are campaigning for. It's like the leadership of NPP. The thing is campaigned in the spirit. See, delivered to Kennedy Agyapong, many will come and it will happen. Say, what about what this prophet is saying? Am I seeing with their eye? I can't contest what they see. So they are seeing right. But at the end of the day, Kennedy Agyapong, it has been negotiated already. It has been negotiated.
Maume mwasem enye wenyasem na dwene wanopa ewia na tunyina se wo bompa ya kai kana se wo nyankopon fakana senonsa neno na uya o my papa eno na uyo do odoma woman enwara na yeshishe odoma woman enwa odoma woman odoma enwa na yeshishe odoma woman enwa odoma woman odoma She said,